What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see a comparison between Runna versus Strava, which is better for training. So both Runna and Strava are popular fitness tracking apps, but they serve slightly different purposes. Knowing how they compare can help you pick the right one for your goals. So, starting with Runna, it's for beginners and casual runners. Running basic stats, built-in training plans, moderate. It has challenges, and the community is smaller. You can get simple running tracking, basic stats like pace, distance, time, and easy to read and beginner-friendly. Offers built-in training plan, structured workouts for goals like 5K, 10K, or general fitness, and it's good for beginners who want guidance. But on the other hand, it has a smaller community and less advanced metrics. Now moving on to Strava, which is best for all levels, especially competitive athletes. It has multiple activities, social tracking, and limited and mostly and commonly shared with coaching. It has a very strong social features and has challenges and also a massive community. It can track almost any activity like running, cycling, swimming, and hiking. You'll have advanced metrics like segments, comparisons, and heart rate zones. It doesn't have official built-in coaching plans, relies on community shared routes and plans, and also third-party integrations available. But on the other hand, it can feel complex at first, but has no built-in official training plans. So, choose Strava if you're looking for best all-around for training and community, and choose Runna if you are beginner and guided plans will be needed for you. Both apps are solid. Your choice depends on whether you want structured guidance or robust social training ecosystem like Strava. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.